Hi, welcome to the video course on SharePoint Server 2016. I am Lewin Wanzer, your trainer for this course. I have over 15 years experience working with SharePoint in small to medium to large businesses, in federal and state local government, and also working with, very small businesses that, just need some guidance on how SharePoint can help them in their smaller networks. I also worked at Microsoft as a PFE for 3 years, working as a PFE, traveling to different companies and working as a mentor. Also did training for some companies that needed, just some overview of the new SharePoint products that were coming out, technical resource for some companies that I work with as well, and also did many assessments using the RAP tool that Microsoft provides for companies that are looking to find issues within their SharePoint environment to make it more suitable as a best practice SharePoint configuration. In section 1, we will get your hands on with the new and enhanced features of SharePoint. We will learn to work with UI updates, managing content, sharing, and storage limits. We will also look at the library features, specialized sites, and mobile view updates. In section 2, we will learn about the new SharePoint 2016 architecture, how you extend the on-premises investments to the cloud through hybrid solutions, and how to use the hybrid picker to configure hybrid features. In section 3, we look at deployment to on-premise and Azure servers. We cover the best practices and dive deep into the configuration of SharePoint Server 2016. In section 4, we look at security from installation to sharing content. We expand on making security improvements and how these improvements can make your life easier as an administrator. And finally, in section 5, we look at performance improvements and compliance management. We will also deep dive into the extended features for these areas and how they further support data within your farm. Some of the prerequisites for this course would be you would need at least 2 to 3 years of being or managing a SharePoint farm. It doesn't really matter what version, maybe SharePoint 2010, 2013 would be, suitable. Actually go through this course and understand exactly what we're shooting for. You must also have some experience with the cloud and the Microsoft offerings in the cloud as a SharePoint tenant. This will be good for the hybrid solutions that we talk about. You will need to know also some PowerShell or have worked with PowerShell, to understand the PowerShell commands that we actually, go through in this course as well. So let's begin the course.